Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel and this amazing video. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how you can create the outro for your YouTube videos. In the previous lesson, I taught you how to make intros, and in this, I'm gonna teach you outros. So you need to pay attention, and if you have not watched the previous video, I recommend you going and watch the previous video. Okay, so first of all, you need to open Chrome or any other browser in your PC. So just open anything and type in canva.com. I just pressed enter and this is being opened and it's open. You can also type in here YouTube things, or you can go into templates and then back here in trending and YouTube intro. Outros are also available in the intro section. Okay, so click onto this and we will make a very professional, highly professional outro for our YouTube channel. Okay, so without wasting time, learn it properly. Okay, so these are some which are available right now for free. This one is beautiful. I highly recommend you going with this one, or this one as well. This is also a very beautiful one. Okay, so there are many other available. Some are paid, okay, some are free. So let's see this one as well. Okay, so you can make many transitions on this one. Okay, so these are templates, you can change them according to your needs. Okay, so this is also available. Subscribe to channel, my channel, you can place channel DP here, your text somewhere here, and you can make outro. But let's go with some professional which is already in demand. Okay, so this is that type of thing I like, that you should put into your section. So one thing you need to watch here is that, is it full HD? So it is full HD. So let's open this template, okay, and edit this according to our need for our YouTube channel. Okay, so don't worry, you will be able to make very beautiful ones if you have watched this video carefully. Okay, so this template is also available here, this also, this. There are some suggestions as well. So I think this is even more beautiful. You can also make this or this. Let's switch to this one. Okay, so you can see suggestions and then decide who you want to make for yourself. Okay, so let's type in here our channel name first. So it's Digital's Earth. Okay, so I have written it here, expand it, and okay, so let me just fix it. So Digital Earth, let's type in this. Okay, and thanks for watching. I guess this is very down, so let's make it a bit up. Okay, we can also add our thumbnails if they are available here, and your pictures if you want, your channel thumbnails, your channel video, the crops from your video of your channels if you want. You can add those things or anything related to your channel here. Okay, so let's make it beautiful right now. So I suggest you going to place here some photos, okay, your thumbnails. So you can upload them from this upload section. Okay, okay, so you can add this image also to this one if you want. You can add it, but for that you need to crop it out first. Okay, so I recommend you cropping it out somehow that it looks good. Okay, so you can crop out your thumbnails. So this is just to show you how you can do it. Okay, you can also add images from the library which they have given you, but related to your niche, whatever niche your channel has. Okay, if it's about some gym, so you can add like this one. Okay, so you can crop out things and add here if you want. Okay, so this is not difficult to do, it's easy thing. Okay, so you can do these this way. You can change the background color, this color for example. Let me just change this one for you and show you. We can add this gray one. No, this does not look good. This is the same one, so this is good. Okay, so it looks good. Now you can see the time You can change the timing, increase, decrease if you want. So I think 6 seconds is good enough. Done. So you can play it once. Okay, so it's just being rendered. Okay, so you saw how beautiful outro we have created this in canva.com. This is a really beautiful thing. Okay, so I highly recommend you making outros, professional outros for your YouTube channels. And one thing last that I want you people to know is that you can change the music. There are a lot of free musics available in the audio section, but I recommend you not using the audio from here. I recommend you uploading your own music from other sources that you can get. You can get that from the YouTube Creative Studio library. There is an audio library option in the YouTube Studio. Okay, so I recommend you download from there. They are free actually, no copyright, so you can use them. Or you can also use these ones, but these might create trouble for you in the future. So do not use these ones. Make videos with your own music. Okay, so this was all from this lesson. I hope you have understood so far. And the last thing is that download this video. So it will be very easy to download. You can see the quality, MP4, high quality video, and now press the download button. Okay, so this is made. Please check it here, and if it plays nicely, so you don't need to change it. Okay, so this was all from this lesson, and I hope you have understood, and thank you very much for watching this video.